Hi, my name is Jessica, and I'm here today to talk to you about false nails. Now, I wear false nails all the time. I prefer them over going to a salon and getting acrylic nails or gel nails done. Now, I think the reason why I prefer them is because a lot of the time they are cheaper. There are loads of different designs out there, lots of different brands that you can go for, and you don't have to constantly think, oh, what nails design am I going to go for this week? That they're there very often already pre-done, and they are beautiful, a lot of them, honestly. And sometimes you can even request a custom order if there is a particular design out there that you want. You might be going to an event or whatnot and you want a particular colour scheme. A lot of them out there will do that. And I mean, thirdly, to be honest, I prefer to do this in the comfort of my own home than have to go traipsing out there in the cold to a salon. So that is why. And I mean, the quality of nails that you can get, they do rival a lot of these false nails out there. So these particular false nails that I'm going to be talking about today, they're from the website Etsy, and they are from the seller Little Nail Designs. I think they are based in the UK. I don't know if they ship internationally, so you will have to check that if you do like these nails. Now, I did order 3 sets from this particular girl, but I'm only going to show you one to keep you interested. Obviously, if this nail video thing does actually start working for me, I mean, I will be doing a video every week. I promise you I will be going for better lighting and better equipment, because as you can see the reflection of my phone and my glasses, and it's annoying me. I hope it's not annoying you that much. But obviously, if this does pick up, then I will invest in better equipment. So let's kick off with this. So these nails are here. Now, honestly, the lighting doesn't do them justice. They are just beautiful. I mean, look at that. Look at them. Just look at the shine on them. They are gorgeous. And yes, they are peacocks. Aren't they just beautiful? Now, these nails are $12.99. That's not including delivery, obviously. The nails came in a jiffy bag. They came very well protected. They came in this box. It was sellotape half, but I have obviously undone that. And they did come with a beautiful golden tissue paper. Well, obviously I've removed that for the purpose of this video. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and I'm going to apply the nails. Now, in another video, I am going to show you how I apply the nails, because I am constantly being asked from everybody, how do you get your nails stay on for so long? Because I can actually get between a week and 2 weeks out of my nails. Now, if you think about how often you have to go to the salon and get a fill, do you know what I mean? Now, when I used to go and get acrylics, I used to go every 2 weeks, maybe 3 at a push if they had no appointments, and I was paying like £20 for the actual full set. And then if I wanted to get a fill after that, you were talking about £15 to £20. It's a lot of money. And I mean, if I could get these nails that were $12.99 to last me 2 weeks or thereabouts, I'm saving money. Plus, I'm not having to get in my car and drive in the cold. I can just do this at home. So yeah, I'm just going to apply these. I'll be back in a sec, and we'll talk about whether I think they're worth the $12.99. Talk about the experience so far, and yeah, we'll discuss these in a minute. Okay, so I've put the nails on. I am back. Now, one thing I want you to know about this particular seller is when they do nails, they just do either a set of 24 or a set of 12, and you just get a bunch of different nail sizes. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't read that in the small print when I got the nails. So they have all come and they are all different sizes, which is a little bit annoying because that particular one here doesn't fit as well as this one. But going off the quality of the actual nails themselves, they actually do look really nice, as you can see. They are shiny, not focusing. So you've got the shiny nails here and here. You've got the beautiful peacock design here and here. I mean, just look at that sparkle. I mean, that's the foam. The beautiful jewel. There, can you see it? Lovely. So, as I said, they are all different sizes. Now, after reading the small print, I did actually think that the seller had sent me a wrong nail, because it was this particular one that really got me noticing. So when I spoke to the seller and I explained, you know, like why are, you know, they all different sizes and everything, and she explained, and I was like, oh, right, okay. But there is a tagline in the description that says if you do know your nail sizes, you can, you know, request those specific ones. If you don't, you can always get the pack of 24, so you can see which nails are the ones that you want. Obviously, they are a little bit more expensive, but you will then know exactly what nail size you would be, and you probably will be able to get, I'd say, 2 sets out of that at 24 as well. Obviously some will be a little bit smaller than the second time around, but I reckon you get the full set. But overall the quality is very nice. They've got a nice shine to them, as you can see. The only thing that I would mention, that I am not 100% about, is the glitter on this finger and this finger. They've not got like a topping over them, that there's no like clear gel or anything like that. So I am a bit worried that the glitter, with it being chunky glitter, might come off. But that is really the only criticism that I have in terms of quality. The second thing is my own fault, but it's still annoying. It's just the fact that they are different lengths. Like, you know, that is quite noticeable. But, as I said, my fault. But other than that, the actual experience of the nails, they seem like good quality. They're not bendy. I have had some nails in the past where you've put them on and they've been a bit like, these are going to snap. They don't feel very good quality, but these, they feel nice. They feel like a good quality nail. Quite a lot of them, effort has gone into them, shall I say. I mean, that can't have been easy for a start off, doing each little small ball and then the jewel in the middle. And I mean, these can't have been easy to do either, with the beautiful peacock. I mean, just look at the detail on them. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, so I am going to be showing you, as I said before, how I apply the nails in another video, once I've kind of figured out the camera angles, because obviously I am doing this off my phone, but as I've said, if this does take off and it does, you know, actually go better than I thought it was going to be, I will invest in better equipment. But for now, I would highly recommend these. I will be going back, and like I said, I thought I have ordered another 2 sets of nails, which are on my couch, but I'm not showing you them yet. So I will be showing you those in another video. But for now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon, and I do hope that you've enjoyed this. The link to the seller will be in the description below, along with the actual link to these particular nails. So I hope to see you again soon. I hope this went better than expected, and if you have any comments, any improvements or anything like that, something that I didn't mention you want me to mention in the next video, please do let me know. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again later. Bye!